Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today we're going on an adventure to uncover the fascinating story of the thylacine, also known as the Tasmanian tiger. The thylacine was a unique and intriguing animal that once roamed the island of Tasmania and mainland Australia. To put it simply, the thylacine was a carnivorous marsupial that resembled a cross between a tiger and a wolf, but with some remarkable differences. Its evolutionary history dates back to the time of the dinosaurs, with fossil records showing that it existed over 20 million years ago. From a scientific perspective, the thylacine belonged to the family Thylacinidae and was classified as Thylacinus cynocephalus. It was a relatively small animal, about the size of a medium-sized dog, with a distinctive coat featuring 16 to 21 distinctive stripes on its back. The thylacine's habitat ranged from forests to grasslands, where it hunted for food, primarily feeding on wallabies, possums, and other small mammals. One of the key researchers who contributed significantly to our understanding of the thylacine was George Harris, an English zoologist who first described the species in 1808. Since then, numerous scientists have studied the thylacine, including its behavior, physiology, and ecology. For example, research has shown that the thylacine had a unique way of hunting, using its keen sense of smell and powerful jaws to catch its prey. Recent studies have also shed light on the thylacine's genetic makeup, revealing that it was closely related to other marsupials, such as kangaroos and koalas. However, what's fascinating is that the thylacine had some remarkable adaptations that set it apart from other animals. For instance, its stripes were not just for show. They played a crucial role in camouflage, helping the thylacine blend in with its surroundings. In terms of ecological relationships, the thylacine played a vital role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. As an apex predator, it preyed upon herbivores, preventing overgrazing and maintaining the diversity of plant species. In turn, the thylacine was also an important food source for other predators, such as eagles and snakes. Unfortunately, the introduction of European settlers and their pets, such as dogs and cats, had a devastating impact on the thylacine population. The species was hunted for its fur and perceived threat to livestock, leading to a significant decline in numbers. The last known thylacine died in captivity in 1936, marking the end of an era for this remarkable species. Today, there is ongoing research into the genetic material of the thylacine, with some scientists exploring the possibility of cloning or genetic engineering to potentially bring back aspects of this species. However, such endeavors are fraught with ethical and practical challenges, highlighting the need for responsible conservation efforts and a deeper understanding of the complex relationships within ecosystems. As we reflect on the thylacine's place in the natural world, we are reminded of the importance of preserving biodiversity and protecting the habitats that support it. The loss of this unique species has had far-reaching consequences for the ecosystem, emphasizing the need for sustainable land use practices, wildlife conservation, and education about the value of preserving our natural heritage. For example, conservation efforts in Tasmania have focused on protecting the island's unique flora and fauna, including the preservation of habitats that were once home to the thylacine. Additionally, research into the ecological role of the thylacine has informed strategies for managing invasive species and maintaining ecosystem balance. In conclusion, the thylacine represents a compelling chapter in the history of life on Earth, reminding us of the intricate web of relationships within ecosystems and our responsibility as stewards of the natural world. Its story teaches us about resilience, adaptation, and the delicate balance of nature. As we look to the future, it's essential that we learn from the past and work towards preserving the rich biodiversity of our planet. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.